Nobody is attacking you. Nobody is sabotaging you, but somehow your life still feels stuck. What if I told you the thing quietly destroying you is something you trust every day? Your own mind. There was a man who looked completely fine from the outside. He woke up, scrolled his phone, went to work, came back tired, promised himself, "Tomorrow I'll do better." Tomorrow never came. Not because he was weak, not because he was unlucky, but because his mind kept whispering things like, "You have time. Rest today. You're not ready yet. Start when you feel motivated." And he believed every word. That's the danger. The mind doesn't scream, it speaks softly. Your mind doesn't say, "Destroy your life." It says, "Just skip today." It doesn't say, "Stay average forever." It says, "You deserve comfort." And slowly, comfort becomes a cage. Days turn into months, months turn into years, and one day you wake up wondering, how did I end up here? Not knowing your mind has been deciding your life without your permission. Most people think their problem is laziness. It's not. The real problem is unchecked thoughts. Every action starts as a thought. Every habit begins as a sentence in your head. If your thoughts are weak, your actions will follow. You don't need more motivation, you need control. Because a mind without control will always choose the easiest path, and the easiest path never leads to a meaningful life. One day, the man noticed something strange. He wasn't tired, he wasn't incapable. He was just obeying every thought as if it was the truth. So he did something uncomfortable. He stopped listening. When his mind said later, he said now. When it said rest, he said one more step. Not aggressively, not emotionally, calmly, firmly. That's when things changed. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your mind is a tool, not a master. If you don't guide it, it will guide you toward comfort, fear, and delay. Discipline is not punishment, it's protection. Protection from the version of you that wants the easy way out. So tonight, ask yourself, who is in control right now, me or my thoughts? Because the moment you stop obeying every thought in your head, your life stops falling apart quietly and starts rebuilding loudly.